Hi guys, okay, today we're going to be unboxing the Ulta Beauty 12 Days of Beauty, 12-piece beauty countdown. I'm trying not to look at the back because it does give a brief description of everything and what's in it. So I'm trying not to do that, but let's just open this up. So you pull it out like this, which I think, oh, there's tape on it. Alright, so you pull it out like this, and then you have these little satchels. This was $20. Let's open, we'll just go in order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's open satchel little 1. I love these little bags. And if you wanted to, you could reuse these for something. I don't know what I'll put in them, but. So we have this. It's a little Ulta Beauty eyeshadow duo. Okay. And doesn't have a shade in the back. But this is what it looks like. Very, very pretty. Ooh, so pretty. I'm not going to do swatches just to get this video moving. And then let's open up day 2, which I can see the little tube sticking out here. Okay, this is an Ulta Beauty Macadamia Scented Hand Cream. Super tiny sample. Granted, this whole thing was only $20, but you know, that's like a 1-2 time use. But I will throw it in my purse and I will use it. And then let's open day 3, which is a very, very pretty purple bag. We have a blush. This is an Ulta Beauty blush. I love blush. Ooh, such a pretty shade. It's got little specks of shimmer in there. Can you see that? That is absolutely gorgeous. Again, it doesn't have a shade name or anything, which is fine. And then let's open day 4. Okay, ooh, I might have to swatch this one. This is an Ulta Beauty eyeshadow duo, another one. But look at those shades. We're swatching them. Oh my goodness, those were so creamy. Oh, those are so pretty. Those are definitely right up my alley. Look at that. You know, let's swatch the other two. Might as well. So here's the blush. Very, very pretty shade. Look at that. And then let's do the other eyeshadow duo. Very, very creamy. I love them. That's the other eyeshadow duo. Very, very pretty. Alrighty. And then the next day we have day 5. Okay, this is a Ulta Beauty Tinted Lip Oil. Again, it doesn't have a shade, but it's a very, very pretty shade. Definitely something I will wear. Ooh, it smells good. Okay, look at that. Like a mauve toned pink. That is gorgeous. It smells like sweet, like cupcakes. Did I say the last one was day 6? Because it was day 5. I don't know. Here's day 6. This one is a... okay, Ulta Beauty Mattifying Face Primer. Oh, I just dropped it. Looks like this. I don't really go for mattifying face primers too often, but that is nice to have. And then we have day 7, which they have the little days written on the satchels. This one is an Ulta Beauty Overnight Lip Mask. Okay, let's open it up. I do want to see what it looks like inside. Oh, it's just a little squeezy tube. It's cute. It's pink in color. That's what it looks like right up there. Smells sweet like frosting. Very, very hydrating. Look at that. Really nice. I'm excited to use that. I love like lip masks and lip treatments and things. Day 8. We have another tint. Oh, this is a matte liquid lipstick. Okay. Very similar to the shade we got in the lip oil. I'll swatch them next to each other. A little deeper though. So that was the lip oil, and this is the matte liquid lipstick. And then day 9. What is this? What is this? Oh, clear brow gel. Okay, it's an Ulta Beauty clear brow gel. Little wand. It looks nice. I love a good clear brow gel. And then day 10. Let's see. Ooh, a lip gloss in a very pretty shade. Let's swatch it. It's just like a very light, almost clear pink with some shimmer in it. You can barely see it right there. And then day 11 feels pretty much empty. I'm a little worried. This is all I have. No writing, no anything. These look like little under eye masks, which, okay, but tiny. Tiny. And then day 12. Come on, give us a full size something. Oh, okay, not terrible. We have an eyeshadow crayon, still a mini. And then it's in a really pretty shade. It's like a smoky purpley brown. It's that shade down there. I wish they had shade names on these, but you know, it's whatever. So that's what we got. That's everything we got. We got 2 eyeshadow duos. We got an eye crayon. We got a lip oil, a lip gloss, and a lipstick, like a liquid lipstick. We got a tiny hand cream, a mattifying face primer, this joke of a product, and a lip mask, a blush, a brow gel. I don't think I'm forgetting anything, but that's everything we got in the Ulta 12 Days of Beauty Countdown. Let me know what you guys think down below. Let me know if you guys think this was worth the $20. I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions, but that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Bye!